Hello, this is Miss Falcone. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to post comments in the Google Classroom. Mr. Fothergill was kind enough to add me as a student to one of his classes, so I'm able to show you from the student's view on what that's going to look like. Just a quick reminder, you always want to use the classwork tab because the classwork tab is what makes it easier for you to be able to kind of scroll through and view your assignments so you know which your current assignment is that you're working on. So once you've opened up your assignment by clicking the View Assignment tab, then you will be able to see all the instructions, and usually below the instructions, it has an area for class comments. If you have a comment that you'd like to post so the entire class can see, which maybe you have a question, which is a good place to post questions because other people might have the same questions they just didn't think to ask. So you can go ahead and post those there, and your teacher will be able to respond as a class comment as well, so everybody will get to see. If this is something just kind of more of a private situation that maybe you have just something that a situation that is more uh, geared for you personally, then you may want to put it in the private comments. So how this works is you would tap on the class comments, you would add your comment here, and you want to make sure that you hit that little paper airplane because that's what posts it so that everybody is able to see it. When you want to post a private comment, you would post it here. And you want to make sure again that you hit that little paper airplane. Otherwise, if you forget, it will never be sent. So it's kind of like that email that you have to hit the send button in order for it to be posted. So that's how you post comments. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask.